In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom stickers in Telegram. To create custom stickers in Telegram on your smartphone, head over to the Telegram application, tap to open Telegram. In the Telegram application, you need to use a bot to make a custom sticker pack for yourself. To use that bot, in the search bar on top of the application, type stickers and wait for search results to show up. Now, simply tap on the bot called Stickers. Here, simply left-click Start at the very bottom to start the Stickers bot. Now, the Stickers bot is up and running. To use this bot, in the message box at the bottom, type New Pack and then hit Send to send this command to the bot. The bot will create a new sticker pack for you. Now, you need to name this sticker pack. Simply type the desired name and send it to the bot. Now the name is set. At this point, we need to add our stickers to this custom pack. To do so, you need to have your stickers in PNG format, which are under 512 by 5112 in size, otherwise they won't be submitted. To send your stickers, simply tap the paperclip icon next to the message dialog box and send your stickers to the bot. The bot will accept the stickers and add them to the collection. Now you need to assign an emoji to your sticker, so every time you send that emoji in a chat, it will be replaced with the sticker. Simply send the emoji next. In my case, it's a thumbs up emoji. Now, to save these, simply type publish and send this to the bot. The bot will publish these, so every time you send the emoji to someone, the sticker will pop up.